Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the banking topic, that is the banking investment. So, one person told that SBI basically don't know, right? The tax box equal to thousand cities. Then, how basically the SBI are running the banks basically? So, that is also question basically. That means I basically met one government employee basically. He told that basically we can't purchase one pen basically without permission. So, that is one thing basically. So SBI bank basically don't can't do anything basically without any permission. That is one thing. So here basically one more thing is this SBI thing basically the text box equal to thousand city basically that SBI group don't do. And my video basically some SBI group basically watched also. So after that basically what happened? Do you know basically? My LinkedIn ID, my Naukri.com ID, my Monster. I'm basically searching for job. I was basically working as a project manager, software delivery head. So I was searching for a job. My ID basically got blocked basically. So I am not able to do the login basically. So here basically things gets clear that basically if SBI group basically don't understand anything basically and that basically they passes to the supervisors, that is the World Bank basically. World Bank is basically supervisor of SBI bank. If they say that basically this is correct, so they basically blocks the ID basically because they know that basically if this thing basically public will know, then basically the reputation of the Indian government, SBI group, the Indian employees, the Indian IAS officers, their reputation basically will comes into the trouble basically. So one person told that basically if one person basically know more than SBI basically, so that means basically you have to block his email ID, you have to block his LinkedIn ID, you have to block his Naukri.com, you have to block his Monster ID. In this basically the Monster everybody basically supported. Times of India group basically also supported. So one person told that that means the businessmen basically who are basically across the India basically they all are basically the employee of SBI. That is also 100% sure, na basically. They all are basically the employee of SBI and they are doing the job of SBI. That also you can say. So they all are basically the dummy businessmen basically. That also you can say. After this blocking my email ID basically, the ID basically of Naukri.com, everything basically has blocked basically. I can't basically enter into the LinkedIn ID also basically. Why? Because it has blocked by SBI group basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the SBI group and the governments, the Indian governments basically, they go up to the level if they don't understand the stuff basically which is displayed in the video basically.